These things are a lot of fun. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This is a 2-pack of LED submersible pool lights. You can use them in a hot tub, in your shower, or in a pool. They come with a magnetic base that you attach to where you will be installing them. We're using our in-ground pool to demonstrate this. You can attach the base with the glue that they send, which will work underwater, or there are suction cups as well if you want a less permanent attachment. So you just attach the magnetic base plate wherever you want, and then the lights just click right to the plate. That makes it easy to grab them whenever you need to charge them. These lights have so many color options. There's like 25 different color options, and you can have them fade in and out, be static, use dynamic color modes. You can also set a timer and have them turn off after a certain amount of time. I do want to note that while the lights are waterproof, the remote is not, so keep your remote out of the pool. When charging these lights, you're going to see a red light when they're charging, and then when they're fully charged, they're going to turn green. Make sure to cover the charging port before you put these in the water. They last quite a while after a charge. We actually hung out in our pool for a few hours in the evening, and they stayed lit. I don't know the exact amount of time that they're going to last for, but I was pretty happy with how long they stayed lit while we were outside enjoying an evening in our pool. If you're looking for some fun, submersible LED pool lights, hot tub lights, bathtub lights, whatever you want to use them for, we recommend these.